Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by Harbour View. To the left, that is the floating dry dock. That's what they use to lift the ships out of the water. And straight ahead is the Harbour View Plaza. And we are going to give you an update on the construction of the new Shoppers Fair supermarket. It's in the plaza. So that's it straight ahead. It's going to be a two-story building. And we're just going to fly around so you can see what's going on. Somebody had mentioned that the work seems to have slowed down, and I have to agree. The last time we were here, it doesn't seem like much has been done since. Guys, let us know what you think of the pace at which they're building the supermarket. Now, that's the Harborview area around it, and it's one of the largest residential communities in Jamaica. And then directly around the construction, that's the plaza. And the plaza was recently renovated, and it's a very busy plaza, very popular plaza. Has the three things you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Build it in a populated area and look at the houses in Harborview. This is a very populated area. You get on the highway from St. Thomas or the highway to St. Thomas and Portland, the Southern Coastal Highway, soon to be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway. It you have to pass this plaza when you're going to and from that road. When you're coming from the airport, you have to pass here, and then the plaza serves this very busy community or this very large community. The second thing, you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, and there you can see Shoppers Fair. They actually had a supermarket here at this very location, but it was demolished so that they could build this new one, and they have another store, like a makeshift supermarket, operating while this is being done. And the third thing you need is food stores. And let's just say this plaza has KFC, Tasty Patties, and Burger King. So even though they have other fast food stores and restaurants, those three are more than enough to have um, to bring in the crowd. Yeah, even if you look at the site, you don't see much going on. Today is a weekday. You don't see much work, but it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. We're going to go a little closer. I don't see any workers on the site. If anybody knows what's going on with this construction project, let us know. But we'll come back again in 2 weeks and we'll see what progress has been made. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. The next time we come out here, we'll give you a tour of the Harborview residential community so you can see just how large it is. Alright guys, have a good day.